Guys, welcome back. It's me, Paulie C. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit something different. A little review on a product that I got for my phone. It's actually a charger. That's all I bought it for. Let me tell you a little story first before I show you the actual product. I got the iPhone 14 now, but I had an older iPhone and used to plug it in all the time here at night. Eventually those plug-ins, like the Lightning or the USB, I don't even know the names of them, C or A, whatever. Sometimes they break off into this section here. And if you can't get that out, your phone's pretty much screwed, or you got to take it in and get it fixed. Look
at you, nice hair, idiot.
My other iPhone was actually it was getting old, so I needed a new one. So I got one, and I don't want to plug it in like that anymore. So I ended up getting this. I guess they call it it's a nightlight, but also a foldable wireless charger. Now, like I said, I only got it for the phone, but as you can see in the picture, you can charge your Apple Watch or even your earpods from Apple. Now, I don't have any of those. I actually have, well, I ended up getting this pretty cool AI translator / earbuds off Amazon. I'll leave the links to all these things in the the description below. I also got this Liege watch. Now, I don't think these things are going to work on those, but we're going to try them out anyways. I did say I don't put or plug in the phone. The only thing I do, I bring this charger to work. It's pretty good. Like, I can keep it in my locker and it lasts 3-4 weeks without even charging it, and I can charge other devices just like my phone and stuff. So I'll leave that also in the link. So anyways, let's get to it. We're going to open that package and look what this baby can do. All right, so let's get into this piece here. Okay, so you got the wall charger. It's actually a nice one. Huh. Pretty decent. A lot of times they give you crappy stuff in these things, but there's your wiring USB. The garbage. Put this out of the way. User manual. I mean, this is pretty much self-explanatory. It tells you pretty much everything I just did. Yeah, so your watch charger, your earphone charger area, and of course your phone. So basically all you're doing is plugging this thing in. Now, I don't have a wall outlet, so I'm going to use my trusty old Bluetti, which I bring camping in places. Nice little, oh, look at that. Yes, it just folds up. Yeah, so there's a little piece that holds on into where it holds up. So basically, all you're going to have to do is plug it in. Now, where's the little... Oh, there it is. So put this part in, and set that down. Oh, it goes. I never plug those things in properly. Oh wow. Yeah, so it's got a nice light on it. I wonder if you can... Is it just one color? Don't even know. Anyways, we'll look at that in a sec. Okay, so right, actually, you know what? Since we have it here, I'm going to actually plug it in properly. This goes right in there. I got to turn the other section on. There we go. See, it went blue there, so I wonder how that works. Check that out. Oh man, I'm such an idiot. I should actually read through this, because a lot of times when you don't, if you're not paying attention, you don't realize that this is a touch button right there, which is really nice. It's not an actual button sticking out, so yeah, touch is great. So let's try the phone out. Bring this a little closer. Put that on. Yeah, you can see the it's charging right there. It's pretty cool. And also, you notice it turns blue when the phone's on it. You take it off, and it should go back to green. There you go. All right, so we're going to put that there. I do have other devices, but these are made for the iPhone, sorry, the Apple Watch and the Apple earbuds. So they're not going to work, unfortunately. But actually, you know what? It'd be pointless for this anyways. This one actually plugs in, and I actually keep this at work. I'll drop links to this on the description below. I use it with, I pair it with this GTOS charger, which I got off Amazon as well. And actually, excuse me, I got a little bit of a cold there. The only thing I usually plug this in, and I'm very careful with if I need it, is into that GTOS charger at work. But usually my phone is charged here at home and on my way to work. So there's always a source, and I try to keep it as wireless as possible. Yeah, so I try the Liege phone out there. I also drop links. It doesn't work either. Like I said, I don't care about that. All I bought it for was this charger, and for the price, I think it's like $30 or something. It's worth it for me. One thing I'm going to mention, I like the fact that the light doesn't stay on all the time. I got problems sleeping sometimes at night, so they tell you, oh, got a notification there. Anyways, they tell you to keep as much LED light and stay away from your phone and everything as possible. So that's nice that I can turn that off and it won't interfere with my sleep. Alright guys, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. I thought I'd bring it outside for the outro. It turned out to be a really nice day. Spring is here. Yeah, you can see the flowers in the grass starting to grow. It's beautiful. Anyways, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. I love hearing your comments. All this stuff that you guys do really helps out the channel. I'm not asking for money, I'm not asking for anything, just your support on those things. So yeah, please comment. I love your comments. Also, please check out my Linktree, which is in the description below, as well as I'm starting to leave all my other social medias down there too. So check out all that stuff, and don't hesitate to join in on those social media sites and share your thoughts. Alright, so until next time, see you later, have a good one, and stay safe. Bye for now.